I'm out here in the cold and we're gonna test out this heat. I'm gonna show you the temperature. So make sure you remove all of the pieces from it first. Now you can mount this inside, outside, wherever you want. It's very nice looking. Whew, it's cold out here. Okay, so it does need 2 AAA batteries. You can see the power and everything is gonna be on right here. So it's just touch, so you can use a remote or you don't have to. So we're turning on mode number 1. Now I want to show you guys. Let's open this up. 33 degrees out. About 33 to 36. So it looks like it can go up to mode number 4. As you can see, now we are using it with our power station over here. Oh, this is so warm. This is nice. So let's see if I can bring this closer to you guys. I want you to see this. So you want to see my leg. We're gonna give a little distance here. Okay, so 73 degrees. The heat is coming towards us. If we actually show the unit heat, 463 degrees coming from this unit. There's 300 degrees coming from it. Depends on the angle that we hit it. 366. So I can actually sit out here and I'm warm by this heater. That's how hot it is. So even though the outside temperature is about, depends on where we point it, for about 42 degrees, the air temp, it's nice and toasty here. So yeah, my body's 78 degrees sitting right here. Now I would say, so this heat is radiant heat, so there's no fan, so no fan blows. I have seen people put a fan, like a small little fan behind it, kind of blowing the air, but even just with it being radiant, yeah, it doesn't, like I'm warm. So again, it comes with mounting brackets. You can mount it on your walls, you can mount it outside. Just give it clearance, you know, read the manual. But oh, it's so warm. Again, let's do ourselves. Turn this on. Yeah, 99. Now my leg temperature is 99 degrees. Hopefully you guys can see that. So, and that's by, you know, I'm still got some distance. So we stand back more, you know, it heats up. And this is out in the open, keep in mind. So very nice heater.